knee to the midsection from Halloween and the low kick once again. I think that might be it, Ali, and it is. Thank goodness.
Taking on Myanmar at 136 pounds. In the blue corner, we have Halloween. He is 32 years old, 160 centimeters tall, 67 fights on his record, 41 victories, 60 defeats, and 10 draws. He trains out of Family Muay Thai Gym in Bangkok, and he's representing Myanmar.
And now introducing Halloween's opponent in the red corner. Goes by the name of Nong Rose Saw Chai Wat. 28 years of age, 162 centimeters tall. Had a total of 51 fights, 30 victories, 19 losses, and 2 draws. Currently training out of Banjaran Suk. And Nong Rose is from Nakhon Ratchasima province in the northeastern part of Thailand. So yes, let's get it out of the way. Nong Rose is born male and now identifies as female. So fair enough. No Olympic controversy here at Lumpini Boxing Stadium, in case the question arose.
Now, Nong Rose has been competing for a long time. She's even fought back in the day at Rajdamnern. So this isn't her first time fighting on the big stage.
And let's not forget, he even competed for the Rajdamnern State title.
Yeah, even that. Nong Rose as well. Yeah, she's got a lot of experience. Halloween, very much so a brawler. Nong Rose, lots of real good technical fighters, but can really put her opponents out as well. So this is a super fight, but the winner of this fight will win 20,000 baht in prize money, and the loser the runner-up will win 5,000 baht.
I think it's fair to say though, Nong Rose, I mean, once upon a time, very deadly in the ring. That's when Nong Rose is fighting at 115 pounds though, Ali. Fair to say, she's been finding it very difficult in the ring lately ever since going up to all the way to 136 pounds. And during that time, she stopped Muay Thai for a while.
Yeah, well, let's see if she can rekindle it.
But speaking of bad forms, Halloween is also another fighter that's not on very good form at the moment, and he wants to change that here today.
Yeah, so Nong Rose lost to our finalist, Brian Mora, who's fighting for the Nern Chayo tournament title later on tonight. It's our final fight. But let's see. Both of these two are coming off of losses. Let's see if they could get back to winning ways, at least one of them.
Yeah, unfortunately for Halloween, as I mentioned, not in very good form either. The Pa'an native. He's competed in Thailand for many, many years already. He doesn't have that sort of Lethwei style like we see a lot of Myanmar fighters has, so he has adapted to the Muay Thai style. Wonder how he can do here tonight. Nong Rose, on the other hand, I mean, when she was fighting out of the One Song Shai promotions, how famous was she that time, Ali?
Very famous. Yeah, very famous. Fought on a lot of the big One Song Shai shows. Okay, here we go, round one.
I mean, it was going through very, very good form until losing in that Rajdamnern Stadium championship matchup.
That left straight, though, really hit the mark for Halloween.
And Halloween really taking it to Nong Rose early on. Halloween just looking for a knockout right here.
Gotta wonder if Nong Rose is still suffering from 5-round fever, you know, having an illustrious career of competing at 5-round Muay Thai, and probably hasn't just got to grips with 3-round Muay Thai just yet.
Yeah, and it takes fighters a lot of time, some of them ages, or some of them not at all, quite honestly, Ali. I mean, to get used to the 3-round Muay Thai way.
And sometimes you can fight both, sometimes you're better at one or the other.
And what me and Ali are talking about is that usually in 5 rounds Muay Thai, a lot of them, they like to take it easy the first and second rounds. But here, in 3 rounds Muay Thai, there is no feeling out process. As you can see in the ring right now, with Halloween dishing out punishment on Nong Rose. Good sweep there from the Myanmar native.
Yeah, Halloween really wants that 20,000 baht in tournament prize money. Wants to get back to winning ways. Definitely doesn't want to clinch with that push there. I think Nong Rose really needs to get these blocks up and needs to go into the clinch. But here comes Halloween putting on the pressure. That leg's going to go. And she can't stand up on it at all. So referee had no choice but to give her a count.
Yeah, and then surely that's got to be it, because what we know about this is that Halloween's going to attack that right leg of Nong Rose. And can you blame the Myanmar native?
Oh, you definitely can't. I mean, you kind of expect southpaws to go for the front leg and target the inside, but he's going for the back leg again.
You got to wonder, I mean, how much more punishment can Nong Rose really take? Already looking wounded here in the first round, and still more than a minute to go. My goodness, Ali. I just don't see any way around this. Nong Rose with a big elbow, but the knee to the midsection from Halloween, and the low kick once again. I think that might be it, Ali, and it is. Thank goodness the referee put a stop to that one.
Yeah, what a shame for Nong Rose. Was really looking forward to seeing her back in action today, but wasn't to be. Halloween, though, great result for him. Really good work. Just kept it simple. It was the left straight that started everything, and then as soon as he started to connect with the low kicks, he just stuck to the basics. Sometimes simple things like that win fights, Kevin.
Absolutely. I mean, he really put on the put the pressure onto Nong Rose from the get-go. I don't think Nong Rose was expecting that whatsoever. And that's the shot that finished it, or towards the end anyways, that low kick. And that leg was already wounded from all the punishment that Nong Rose already took during that fight. Oh my goodness. Makes you wonder though, Ali, how long can Nong Rose really go on for?
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I don't know. We'll have to see. Okay, we'll take it off to Mr. Matthew Dean for the official announcement. We will see you in fight 3. Don't go anywhere.
และคู่สองวันนี้ฮะเราได้ผู้ชนะไปเรียบร้อย Ladies and gentlemen, our winner here in bout number 2 in round 1 by way of knockout, the blue corner, Lawin from Myanmar ยินดีด้วยนะครับผมผู้ชนะของคู่สองวันนี้ครับได้อันดับ3ครับของศึกมวยรอบเงินชัยโยครับ136 ปอนด์ครับซึ่งในโบนัส 20,000 บาทกลับบ้านไปทันทีครับเดี๋ยวเราจะมามอบกันในช่วงท้ายรายการครับตอนนี้พักกันสักครู่ครับช่วงหน้ากลับมาลุยกันกับคู่3จัดไป